good evening. In this video, I'll be guiding you through paper 1 of Cambridge IGCSE Business Studies paper and what are the different marks required in each kind of question. Okay, so just to briefly introduce you, we have 4 kinds of marks. We have knowledge, analysis, application, and evaluation. So take a look at these 4 rules. So for each point that you write, you will score 1 knowledge point. And if you see the word explain in a question, that means there will be marks for analysis. And if the question has a name, like a name of a company or a name of a person, then there will definitely be marks for application. I coined a saying. The saying goes, name in the question has application. Okay. And last but not least, if they mention the word justify, there will be marks for evaluation. Okay. So let's get started and jump into it. This is a paper for the format starting in 2027. All right. So for those of you who are taking the exam this year, it's not really applicable to you. Okay, it will be applicable for the exam starting from next year. Let's take a look here. The first question is define. So define, there will always be 2 knowledge marks. Okay, when you write definitions, there are always going to be 2 key points. And if you miss one of those key points, you only get 1 mark. Now let's look at B, right? B. So we have 2 ways, meaning to say we have 2 points. So remember, 1 point is, 1 knowledge mark. So we have 2 knowledge marks so far. The total marks is 4 marks. Okay. What about the other 2 marks? Pause the video and maybe think about it. The other 2 marks comes from application because there is a name in the question. Name in the question has application. So 4 marks, done. Let's take a look at C. C, we see the word explain. And remember, whenever we see the word explain, there will be marks for analysis. Okay. So there are 2 ways, meaning to say we have 2 points. Okay. So 2 points means 2 knowledge. And we have the word explain, so there will be marks for analysis. And what about the other 2 marks? This is a 6-mark question. So a 6-mark question, we see the name. Remember, name in the question has application. So now this will be a total of 6 marks. And everything will be perfect. Okay, 3 plus 3 is 6. And the last one. Oops, looks like I already sort of revealed this. I think this was from my previous classes with my students. Okay, so here for a question like this, we see the word justify, we see the word advantage and disadvantage. So for paper 1, the format goes like this. Okay, so advantage here will be 1 knowledge mark, it will be 1 point. And there's also disadvantage. So when we mention a disadvantage, we have another knowledge mark. This is an 8-mark question. It's quite long. So what about analysis? They didn't say the word explain, but here we need to discuss them. Okay, so there will be marks for analysis. Okay. And last but not least, the word justify. So there will be 2 marks for evaluation. In paper 1, the marks are generally spread quite evenly. And we actually also have 2 application marks, but the application can be anywhere. Okay, it can be here and here, for example, or it can also be here and here. It doesn't really matter where is the application, as long as we have 2 marks for application. So if we calculate all of this, we should get 8 marks, right? So I hope this video has been helpful to you, and I will see you in the next video, right? Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.